We're here at Ambassador, beautiful showroom. But one of the things that we want to talk about is it's spring and it's time for spring cleaning.
We've got to maintain our floors, right? They're not going to maintain themselves. One of the things I know the manufacturers recommend is that once every 12 to 18 months, you get your carpets professionally cleaned.
And then you have all of the other things in the house. You have your bathrooms, your kitchens, there's backsplashes, there's the surround around your bathtub.
Let's just talk about that basic maintenance right there, right? So when you've got a tub, you still want to clean around where the caulk is. You want to make sure that caulk is in good shape, because if it's not, that's where people get into a lot of issues.
Right, and then it's the aesthetics of it as well. Just looking at clean grout and a clean backsplash just makes everything in your house look better.
So when it comes to spring cleaning, you think about all of those things, call some professionals, have them come out and work with you and help, because again, it's not going to maintain itself, but there's still the daily maintenance.
The simple vacuuming, which you don't want to take for granted, but then if you have hardwood floors, what's some good ideas with hardwood floors?
The felt pads on the bottom of your chairs, on the bottom of tables, anything that might move around that might scratch that floor.
When you're looking at your floors every day, make sure not to take them for granted. They are the focal point of your house and they need to be maintained.
Absolutely, 100%. Some easy, quick things that help. A walk-off mat, for example, everybody's got it. We keep a broom or vacuum type broom thing handy. We use it almost every day.
Sure, so it is just daily maintenance. It is keeping your house look beautiful. But if you're ready for some new floors, I got an idea where you can go. Experience more.
At Ambassador Midwest Floor.